Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got for you an absolute classic from 1982. I've had a request to do more 80s pop, so I hope this one is to your liking. This is called Maneater by Hall and Oates. So if you do like today's video, I'd be really grateful if you could click like and subscribe for me. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Maneater, let's get straight into it. Right, so first off, we're going to show you the strumming pattern, which is down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. First off, it's worth pointing out that after the first down, down, down strokes, I'm going to be stopping the strings from ringing, muting the strings, just very quickly with the edge of my right hand, the edge of my strumming hand. So if you're left-handed, you'll use your left hand. So there we go. So that's what I'm going to do. So we've got down, down, down. Yep. See how I come down on the strings? Down, down, down. Stop them. And then up, 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 down, down. Okay. It also is quite good because you get a bit of a percussive effect, you know. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 stop, up, 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 down, 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 stop, up, 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 down, 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 stop, up, 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 down, down. Chords for the intro are B minor, A, G, and then back to A. So it's going to sound like this. Over and over in rotation until the song the first verse kicks in. So we do that again. B minor first. If you want to do open chords, B minor like that. I'll just linger for a while here for a sec. So B minor to the A or A, then to a G, then back to an A. Okay. We'll go through the bar chords a bit later if you want to play this in bar chords. But for you beginners, we'll show you the open chords. So B minor, A, G, back to A. Right, intro again, here we go. So then G, back to A, B minor, then A, then G, then A. Now we're ready for our verse. Right, so we've got 2 bars of D, 2 bars of A. So we've got D, A, C, then B, E minor, then A, B flat minor, I'll show you that in a sec, and then B minor. Okay, so first off, let's show you these chords. So we've got D, up to the camera, chord of D, then we're going to go to an A, and then we're going to go to a C, then a B. Now a B is holding the first string, 2nd fret, and then fingering down on the 4th fret strings, the D string, G string, and B string with our remaining 3 fingers. Okay, so that's going to be a B major chord. Then we've got E minor, easiest chord in the book, just the 2 fingers up there, look, right, and then we've got, go down to an A, and then now we've got a B flat minor. Now have a little look at that, B flat minor, 1st finger, 1st fret, 1st string, then we're going to be 2nd string, 2nd fret with our 2nd finger, and then we're going to reach up and do the 3rd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the G string. That's a B flat minor. And then if we move the whole thing up a semitone, half a step, that gives us a B minor. So B flat minor, B minor. Okay, B flat minor, B minor. Okay, so let's go through them chords again. Now you know. D to A, and then C to B, and then E minor, and then A, B flat minor, and then B minor. So let's go through the strum pattern again. So we got, let's do that with the strum pattern. D, A, then C, then B, E minor, then A, B flat minor, B minor. Okay, so that's what we've got. That's the verse. If you want to do it as bar chords, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So we've got a D, then to an A, then C, and then B. Then you've got a choice. You can either overlap. I would personally leave bar chords for the E minor coming next. I think it sounds better down there, but you can be on the 7th fret still, bring your 3 fingers down from that B, and that will give you your E minor. And then we've got an A, and then we want B flat minor. So what we're going to do, we're going to go, so we've got A, B flat minor, which is on the 6th fret, and then slide that up to a B minor there. So we got B, then A, C, then B, then E minor, then A, B flat minor, then B minor. Right, chorus time. So you've seen both in open chords and bar chords for that. So let's do the same thing again for the chorus. Chorus goes like this: B minor first, then A, G, F sharp, then A, and then we're moving on. B minor again, A, E minor, G, A. Let's take you through that again. So first off, B minor, then A, then G, F sharp, A, and then starting over again with a B minor, B minor, B minor, A, then E minor, E minor, then G, and then A, and then that's that. So let's take you through that again. So here we go: 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, A, then G, then F sharp. So then A, then B minor, then A, then E minor, then G, then A. There's your chorus. Right, let's enter that with the bar chords. Here we go. So we've got B minor to the A. So here we go: 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, then A, then G, then F sharp, then A, then B minor, then A, then E minor, then G, then A. Okay, so that's how we play it as bar chords. One more time for you as bar chords. Here we go: B minor, then A, then G, then F sharp, then A, then B minor, then A, then E minor, then G, then A, and then we go back to the verse again. Okay, so I want to go back and quickly show you earlier on as an open chord the F sharp. Now if you're familiar, guys, with the chord of F, there we go, F, we're going to play 5 strings for that. We don't need the F, I'm showing you, because if we slide it up 1 half step, 1 semitone, that gives us our F sharp. So you can play that F sharp as an open chord. So that'll be, for you guys playing it all as open chords, it's going to be B minor, then A, then G, then F sharp, A, then B minor, then A, E minor, then G, then A, and then back to the verse. Da na 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 na. So there we have it, Hall and Oates and Maneater. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've got any song suggestions for any songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video, again, let me know down in the comments section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, with a big thank you going out to those that have liked and subscribed already. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So, until we meet again, take great care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.